A very good morning to our respected guys. Today, the topic which is under discussion is about attachment. Whether it's good, whether it's bad, what we are supposed to do. Should we be attached with others or should we detach from others? As far as Buddha is concerned, he said that attachment is the mother of all sufferings, and that's true. For example, you're attached with your childhood friends, you're attached with your parents, you're attached with your brother and sister, you're attached with your children, you're attached with your loved ones. But we all know that one day they will leave us, and too much attachment will leave a very harmful impact on your personality. You'll not be able to come out from that trauma. Maybe a person is no more in this world, you're missing him or her all the time just because of the attachment. Attachment is not only related with human beings, but it's also about materialistic things, like someone is attached with his car, someone is attached with his business, with his job, maybe with his computer, maybe someone is attached with his home, house, someone is attached with his pets. Each and everything comes in attachment, and you can be attached. And once you attach with a specific thing, you are addicted. And addiction is not good, because when you're used to of that particular thing, obviously when you don't have that thing in front of your eyes, it will make you mad, it will make you crazy. So I think excess of everything is bad. Means we must be in moderate way. For example, you're going for the love, you must be in a moderate way. You must not excess the level. One, you'll be excessive in the level of love, maybe the betrayal, maybe someone is traitor, maybe someone will forward with you, maybe someone will disloyal with you, you will hurt a lot. Once you start mastering your mind that person, anything can leave you at any time, so you will be not suffered a lot. It's very important to learn the art of detachment. If you want something in your life but you don't have that particular thing, so you have to live in such circumstances with all by your heart. You're not supposed to cry. You must not supposed to beg for that attention. You have things in your life, that's good. You don't have things in your life, that's good. As God made us very elastic, human is so elastic. If you will throw someone into the desert, he will survive there. If you will throw someone to the mountainous area, he will also survive. You will throw someone into the very cold area, maybe somewhere is a snow-capped mountain and very devastated weather, like a disastrous weather, like avalanche or storms, so he can also survive there. And if so, you will put someone into the hot area like Africa, that person also will try to survive. So we can survive at any circumstances, and you have to make yourself understand that without the things, these worldly things, without these worldly things, you can also survive in this world. Your time must be good. Your time must be precious. You must invest your time in order to learn something. If someone is not with you, you have to make your loneliness as your best friend. Many people are just suffering from nostalgia. And if you are thinking that I'm passing through a nostalgic situation, so you have to just make a friendship with your loneliness. Once you understand the power of loneliness, you will get a lot of things from it. Because loneliness, it means silence, and silence is the first step of knowledge. According to me, silence is not less than a worship, because in silence you just focus on your imagination, you focus on your thinking, you see here and there, you analyze the things, you see about your failures, you see about your success, you just recounter yourself, you start accountability of your personality, you start accountability of other people's personality. You also learn the art of being judgmental. You also learn the art of non-being judgmental. So I think that's good. Many people ask from me that should we be judgmental or should we be non-judgmental? So it depends on the situation. For example, if a person is from you that is very simple and very good person, means innocent one, And you're not supposed to use your extra brain in order to just judge him, because this is your psychology and this is your analysis, which can make you understand. Your psychology and analysis will try to make you understand that this person is innocent, and you're not supposed to use your extra brain to judge him or her. So you will enjoy his conversation. You will not use your five senses. You will not try to use extra skills like your sixth sense. No use means you have to make yourself into the neutral mode, and you will enjoy the conversation. You will enjoy the company of that person. We must not be judgmental. And if a clever person, a traitor, a disloyal, liar, or you can say a bad person, means an acrobat, you can say, or an evil soul will encounter in front of you, so you must be very judgmental to that person. Because if you will close your mind, if you'll close your all of the five senses, you will just close your sixth sense, so you'll not utilize your brain, your heart. You'll not focus on his actions, on his words, on his sayings. So you might get a lot of harm from him or her. So here you must be judgmental, because that person might be your enemy, and that person is just praising you, is boosting you up, and that person is just like a booster, and maybe he is flattering you, maybe he's telling you a fake statement, maybe he's trapping you by his conversation. Maybe he's trying to have a hidden agenda against you. Maybe he's the friend of your enemies. Maybe he might harm you. So here you must be very judgmental. In parents' love, we are not judgmental, because we know that they love us from the bottom of their heart. But for outsiders, you must be judgmental, because life is full of fraud. Life is full of obstacles and hardships. You cannot trust on anyone. So in current situation, it depends on the situation. When you're talking with a very innocent person, it's okay to be as simple as that person is. If someone is very clever in front of you, and you must encounter yourself as much as fast as you can. So that's the reality. Example must be like a mirror. Any person who comes in front of you, you must reflect his reflection back to him or her. If someone is good in front of you, you must be good. If someone is doing some trick with you, you must be tricky. This is all, and detachment is good. Detach yourself from materialistic approach. You will try to learn easy life. As the Buddha detached himself from all facilities of life, and he went into the meditation, he just entered into the silence mode. He just analyzes many things through his meditation, and he learned the spirituality, and he became a very positive soul. Plus, you have to learn the art of leaving the things. You must know which thing you are supposed to pick, which thing you are supposed to leave. And encouragement must be encountered in your life. Hope this conversation will give you a lot of ideas. I just made it spontaneously, and I was not well prepared, or I never prepared for any presentation. I never prepared myself for any kind of the presentation. Whatever come in my mind, I just talk. Keep your fingers crossed for me. You're always in my prayers. May God bless you. Take care. Bye.